So right next to our cage crusher, this is the small lump breaker. So we just see out there that that one is the big lump crusher, and then this one is the small lump crusher. So in terms of the structure, you can see this also one motor is connected, so using belts connected to small pulley and then to the big pulley, and then we have the feeding portal, and then underneath it there's the cutter. So you can also see from the inside, that's the rotary cutter inside of the lump breaker. The lump breaker is mainly used for crushing the Urea and other caked materials, and then so that later it will be proceeded to the weighing scale. So this is a small lump.